আমি সামসামে করব। It's called samsa. Now I can feel it. Why every youth, not just youth, every old age man, every children, why they want to go abroad? Why do they leave this destroyed country, this Bangladesh? This is not a secure country for any not just politician, any children, any older man, any student, any worker. This is why every man's dream that they want to go abroad and they want to go a development country. They choose that. Once upon a time, whenever our teachers or anyone asks us that, what's your dream? What do you want to be in future? We say them, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, I want to work in my country, any kind of work. I love my country. But at this time, recently, no any youth, you can find no any youth, they will choose the Bangladesh. 99 student or 99 people out of 100, they will choose go to go to any development country, and rest of one people, he will choose that he will aid a politics like আমার ভাই তোমার ভাই থুমুক ভাই সিঙ্গারা সমোসা খাইয়া, they will work behind them. uh, একটা সমোসা খাইব, একটা সিঙ্গারা খাইব, বিরিয়ানি খাইব, তারা চাই আমি সামসামে করব। It's called samsa. তারা এটা করব। So politics and study, work, these are not same. Bangladesh is totally destroyed country. This is not safe.